Aries, welcome back to my channel, and this is your reading for the full moon of June 25th, 2021. Mixing up with the dates thanks to Mercury retrograde. I'll pick two cards from this deck. This will contain the guardian angel messages for you. Let's see what it has to say. This looks good. The angel of emotional balance. Okay, this is catching my eye. So the angel of self-confidence. All right, let's see what's up to you. So definitely I feel with the angel of emotional balance and the angel of self-confidence in your picture is that your balance is out of proportion. Your emotional balance is out of proportion. Some of you might not also be feeling confident around this time. So let's see what the angels are telling you. First, the angel of emotional balance for Aries. Are your emotions in turmoil? So definitely either you're overthinking or there's something around you which is not good enough that is making you feel that ways. Are you feeling uneasy? Definitely you're feeling uneasy, and that's why the angel has come into the picture to help you and guide you. Let's see what the angel has to say. It's saying spend time at the water's edge to regain emotional balance. Clear away any negative energy you may have accumulated from unsettling conversations or negative internal dialogue. Definitely overthinking is in picture. Internal dialogue means you're telling yourself something negative, so you have to stop doing that right away, Aries, and you have to start talking to yourself positively. The positive affirmation that you need to speak around this time is, which you can start speaking today and speak until the full moon, at least 3 times consecutively if you're doing that once a day. I am able to identify my feelings and resolve unsettling emotions. Negativity flows away effortlessly and lovingly. My emotional body is awash with positive energy. I enjoy a sense of balance. Safe travel over or on water is a certainty. So if some of you are traveling, maybe you're uneasy about it, or maybe you don't like traveling, or you're scared of water, or something is definitely going on. So take care and say these affirmations, and they will definitely help you. Let's see what the angel of self-confidence is telling you. Of course, are you lacking confidence? What do you find difficult to accept about yourself? Maybe there's something about yourself that is bothering you. Maybe a habit of yours, maybe a health of yours, maybe you're overweight, maybe it's your anger issues, something that or somebody maybe recently pointed out to you that is, and that has kind of stuck into your head, and that's why you are feeling this way. The angel is saying acknowledge your magnificence and focus on what you do well to increase your self-esteem. Or maybe somebody at your work pointed out that you're not good at this, and that has kind of affected you badly, and you have been overthinking since then. So the angel is telling you to focus on the things you are good at so that you can maintain that self-esteem and in turn stay positive. It is safe to be powerful in a loving way. Shine your light to reach your full potential. The positive affirmation for you is, I am courageous and shine my light brightly for all to see. I honor and respect myself for who I am and what I can be and do. I willingly allow others to see my magnificence. So of course, somebody definitely pointed out maybe to your bad habits, or you're not good at something at your work. So don't take it to the heart, Aries. So definitely, if you'll take it to the heart and you'll think that I'm not good enough, etc., then definitely you're going to feel bad about it, and definitely then you're gonna have low self-confidence and self-esteem, and in turn that will cause you an emotional turmoil. So in order to balance the emotion, the message for you is to focus on your positives. Of course, if you can change or learn a new skill and improve your work, then why not? Or control your anger issues, if that was what the reason is, then why not? But if you can't do all that, if it's not in control right now and you are feeling that ways and you need to get your emotions in balance, then focus on your good things. Maybe you're very caring in nature, or maybe you're good at a particular skill, like I don't know, Excel sheets or management, or employee relations or cooperation or coordination, anything. Focus on whatever you can at this point of time. Say these affirmations, and I'm telling you, this will definitely help you. So this was your reading for the full moon Aries. I hope you guys liked it. So take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.